What if my billing dispute is denied? Imagine you have a billing dispute, and after all your efforts, the decision comes back as a denial. What should you do next? First, it is essential to request a clear explanation from your credit card issuer or billing company. Ask for any supporting documentation that justifies their decision. Understanding their reasoning can help you decide your next steps. Sometimes, the denial may stem from missing information or a misunderstanding that can be clarified with additional evidence. If you still disagree with the denial, you have the option to appeal. Typically, you have about 10 days after receiving the denial notice or before the payment deadline, whichever is later, to submit your appeal. When you appeal, make sure to include any new or additional documentation that supports your claim. This could be receipts, order confirmations, cancellation notices, or any correspondence you had with the merchant. In case your appeal is unsuccessful, or if you want to seek external help, consider filing a complaint with regulatory agencies. Agencies like the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the Federal Trade Commission, or your state's Consumer Protection Office can investigate your dispute. They may assist in resolving the issue. Consulting with an attorney is another option, especially if the amount in question is significant. Legal action might help recover damages and cover legal fees. While your dispute is ongoing, be aware that the issuer can report your account as delinquent to credit bureaus if you do not pay the disputed amount within the allowed time. However, they must also note that the amount is still in dispute to protect your credit standing. If the issuer fails to follow proper dispute procedures, such as timely acknowledging your dispute or resolving it within the required time frame, they may lose the right to collect some portion of the disputed amount or any associated fees. From a customer service perspective, it is important to maintain clear and prompt communication with the customer throughout this process. Providing updates, explaining their rights, and guiding them on how to appeal or escalate the issue helps maintain trust and satisfaction, even if the initial dispute is denied. So, if your billing dispute is denied, remember to request a detailed explanation and supporting documents. Appeal the decision within the given timeframe with additional evidence. Consider filing a complaint with consumer protection agencies. Understand your rights regarding credit, reporting, and payment deadlines. Seek legal advice if necessary. And always maintain clear, empathetic communication to support the customer through the process.